All right, real quick video. Let's talk about the latest crypto news. Thanks for giving me a few minutes joining me. My name is Austin. If you're new to me, please do two things. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button here on YouTube. If you're watching this on X, give me a follow over there if you are so inclined. Okay, so talk about the latest crypto news. I'm going to tell you what exactly is happening and the fact that I told you that this would happen and we would see this exact scenario play out that we're seeing right now. Okay, so I've done a bunch of videos talking about the fact that the overall crypto market really was derailed starting last week on the day that the Federal Reserve came out and announced that they weren't going to give us as many interest rate reductions in 2025. We've covered that in depth. That created a lot of fear and uncertainty in the market, and we've had over $500 billion leave the market. Now we've clawed back about 100 billion of this number right here in the overall crypto market capitalization. But I said on numerous occasions in previous video that I'm just kind of reiterating that the rest of December would really be pretty much a dead month. We wouldn't see a lot happen in the remaining months, remaining days of December. If we take a look at this, this is probably the best visual representation of what I'm telling you is that this shows Bitcoin monthly returns right here. This chart, this is the years on the left-hand side. You can see 24, 23, 22, et cetera. These are the months across the top. And over on the right, you see we're in December. Let me move the picture of me up. You can see this is the number I want to point you at. We are down 1.59%. Now, what makes this a big deal is that 2024 is a Bitcoin halving year. If you look at the previous Bitcoin halving years, we were at 46% up in 2020, 2016, we were up 30%. No way we're going to be doing anything remotely like that. We've only got about 4 more days left in the month. And you can tell that it is going to be a down month, maybe at best a flat, maybe a 1 or 2 percentage points up, depending upon what we get in the remaining few days. Okay. So volatility is the name of the game, and the overall market drive has left the proverbial building. This is simply a bad crypto month that we are going to have to just put behind us. Again, it was derailed by some macro factors, things that could they have been manipulation? I don't know. We can always guess and surmise and guesstimate, if you will. But I personally think there was some manipulation going on. I think that there's a lot of manipulation that does happen in the crypto market because, quite frankly, even though this is 3,330 billion, this is still a small enough number that it can be pushed around. It can be manipulated. It can be moved. It can be, again, bullied and pushed around. Okay. Now, this is not a bad video from the standpoint of like, okay, we've got bad things coming at us. No, December is pretty much done, but if we're looking forward to January, I think at the beginning of January, we're going to see a renewed interest in crypto. We're going to see a renewed interest in investing in general. January, February tend to be pretty decent months for crypto, pretty good months overall, as well as good months for the stock market. They tend to be decent, right? And so with that, I just wanted to kind of just share these things with you a little bit, kind of tell you kind of what some things that I'm seeing, and kind of reiterate that point I was just making about January and February tend to be decent months. If you look at kind of like 2024, January was up 0.6, February up 43, March up 16. In 2020, January was up 39, 0.03, up 22. 2022 down 16. Now that's because of the Russia-Ukraine war there, up 12, up 5. But look at 21, 14, 36, and 29 respectively. In 2020, 29, 0.95. And then February, March, not great, but there was some good months following up that kind of, and then the fourth quarter of 2020. Long and the short of it is, it's going to be all over the map. But I think with January, we've got good things coming with Trump. Renewed crypto legislation that's going to be hitting positive. I think the war on crypto is in essence over as far as the government entities and their battle against crypto, the SEC, all that kind of stuff. I've given you a lot of information around that. And, with that said, you can kind of take a look at Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin chart consolidation since the 22nd of November. We've been consolidating. We've been going sideways. I mean, yes, we had this little run up right there, but we gave it right back and we fell back into that channel. We went up from there, we fell, and then we went up and then we fell back in the channel. And now we've consolidated and we're trading in this pretty tight channel. That's Bitcoin. Pretty much every single thing is doing the exact same thing. If we take a look at XRP, it is doing something similar. You can see that it is channeling as well. Now it channeled, it really started channeling at kind of the beginning of December, started consolidating, going sideways, and it's been doing that since really, again, the 1st of December. But right here is what I want to point you at, where if you're interested, I want to share this with you. Look, this is my trading indicator right here that gave that buy alert all the way up to that in 28 days, 410% up. Now, that's going to come. We're going to get here in the near future, we're going to get a buy alert. Wouldn't you love to have it perfectly timed to be able to buy some XRP or insert any crypto here that you want, right? And well, I got a special for you. I give a discount code for my software. Links in the description below if you want to take advantage of it. SP1, use that discount code at checkout and you get the biggest discount I've ever offered. There's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back refund guarantee. So you get to try the software for free, really. So if you don't like it, you get a complete refund. And the quarterly option is the best as far as best price. But my point to you is get ready, get the software up and running, get used to it, starting using it, start making some money. And then when that market blows up, which it's going to probably in January, you're going to know the perfect moment to buy and lock in those low costs. And this is the thank you page you see after you join. It's everything here. It shows you step by step how you can set everything up and you're off and running. So give that a look, give it a thought. Again, great discount right now on it. About $1 a day is what the software cost you. And then beyond that, again, you got that 30-day, no questions asked, money back refund guarantee. So you really have 30 days to try it. If you don't like it, you get a complete refund really for free. Okay. So with that, I'll see you. December is continuing. We will continue to be flat, but remember what I said, January, it's going to take off. All right. We'll see. Bye.